The C370 has had a facelift and the Mark 17 has been on a diet, and the two paired together is a really smart regulator for the modern diver. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, the Scubapro C370 has a new customizable front cover and it comes in two colours, the body itself, so that you can personalise your second stage, and Scubapro have sent me one with their Mark 17 Evo 2, which is a slimmed down first stage suited for both warm water and cold water diving. So it's a very promising, like, all-rounder regulator. But first, let's see how it arrives and what comes with it. This is how it arrives, or this is how everything arrives, because the color kits come as a separate item and they come individually wrapped, so you pick and choose what exact color you want. That way you don't have all the others that just kind of live in a drawer, and they're just individually bagged. The regulator comes in quite a small box. They're usually a bit bigger than this, but Scubapro are obviously trying to make things more eco-friendly. Cardboard box. In the lid is a book of words, just the usual instruction manual in a bunch of different languages. So have a quick read through that just to make sure you understand your regulators. Inside, you get the regulator itself. The mouthpiece, it quite often comes with a little baggie just to keep it clean, sanitary, make sure no one else has used it. And the little insert has a 4mm Allen key, so you can remove those port plugs. But yeah, let's take a close look at the regulator itself. So the regulator in this DIN configuration weighs in at just under a kilogram, which is still super lightweight. And most of that weight really comes from the first stage, that Mark 17 Evo 2. The C370 itself is very light in the mouth, meaning less jaw fatigue, because you just don't have to hold on to it quite as much. On like longer dives or on colder dives, you know, you can sometimes get jaw fatigue. You're going to get less of that with this lighter weight second stage. The whole second stage comes in two colors, this kind of black graphite, I think they call it, and a white version. And they come with this like standard gray, like delta on the front, or in the white version you get a white detailing. If you opt for the color frames, they snap into place or they snap out of place just with a flathead screwdriver, and the colors, of course, they match other scuba gear. So if you're going for a theme and it's all like Scubapro and it's a certain color of Scubapro, and each color looks good in both the white and the graphite second stages. Fiberglass reinforced nylon casing, as I said earlier, is very lightweight in the mouth. A rubberized purge button on the front, and on the side you have breathing adjustment knobs and venturi to control airflow, basically. Reusable mouthpiece tie is always nice to see, so of course don't cut it off. You can just like pry it off. You can just unhinge it and use it again if the mouthpiece ever wears out. And the mouthpiece itself is actually really comfortable. It's a nice design that just holds in the mouth without needing to bite down to hold onto it, again reducing jaw fatigue. Inside is a metal valve housing instead of plastic for longevity. Between the two, Scubapro's rubber Superflow hose has a large internal bore for better airflow. You can't tighten it with a regular spanner or a wrench, you need a Scubapro tool for that. That's one thing you do need to pay attention to with Scubapro hoses. If they do ever need tightening, you need a special tool to do that. The new Mark 17 Evo 2 first stage is a sealed diaphragm first stage with a dry chamber based on a twin spring layout. 2 high pressure ports at 15-degree angles to make hose routing easier. 4 low pressure ports, again angled as well, just to help reduce like bunching up. Air balanced for consistent and effortless airflow regardless of your depth, your tank pressure or your breathing rate. It's always going to be consistent. Each of the high pressure ports and the low pressure ports, as I mentioned, are angled for better hose routing and less collisions when you're trying to fit a transmitter. On some first stages, all the ports are a bit too close together and they just end up bumping up against one another, so you can't fit exactly where you want, and you might need like an extender or something, but less of that on this first stage. Cold water rated. You can dive this regulator in both warm and cold waters, so you can dive it at home and you can travel with it on holiday because it's still relatively lightweight compared to some regulators. I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but changing that delta on the front is really easy. You just pop a flat head underneath this little recess at the bottom to pry it out. There are 6 grips in total, so take your time to not damage any of them. I found the one right at the top, the last one, was a little bit tricky, so just tease it out. I'm kind of digging it without any color kit though, which is kind of cool, but fitting the replacement doesn't require any tool. You just kind of line it up and just push it into place. So quick and easy, just to choose whichever front cover you prefer. Breathing quality, very nice. Scubapro know what they're doing with regulators, and this has a very smooth, quite quiet breathe. Dialed out to its maximum, it's powerful with an incredibly light braking effort. As soon as you just think about inhaling, it's delivering some gas. And of course you can dial it in depending on your needs or your preference. So who's the C370 for? Almost any diver, really. Cold and warm water certified. That Mk17 is a real workhorse that will probably outlast many divers, and the C370 is a lovely second stage. $760 or 465 British pounds make this a real like mid-range regulator price with some serious clout. Scubapro also package it with the Mk17EVO2 first stage for a lighter warm water regulator, which isn't environmentally sealed like the Mk17, but that's why I always prefer the Mk17. It's always been a personal favourite of mine. For more information and of course where you can find your nearest Scubapro dealer, then click on this link in the corner of the screen or down in the description to this video. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, give this video a hype as well, subscribe to the channel to help it grow. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.